Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija.TV. I bring our sister Destiny Ethical and Daddy Freeze out. Okay, I bring and call my channel. Yes, I just finished my live stream. I say me I could do this video before my children go so enter house. Now I don't film 2 video. I am one and they one. I don't film. I don't know which one they fed it come. Let's hear our sister Destiny Ethical. I be Destiny Ethical. I be Destiny Ethical. Let hear her. Wait till she get to talk. Then little now I go play her. Then I'll drop my own opinion.
I can't fathom it. It's quite unfathomable. I don't even know where they got the stupid news from. And it has dawned on me that a lot of people are so insensitive. A full-fledged man, a family man. He put it to Kulan and no set ring lights. One day, man, I caught to about what you know absolutely nothing about. Did I grant any interview? Or did you see me write anywhere, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, anywhere that I'm a virgin? I'm a virgin.
Okay, our sister Destiny Ethical, she says she not be veggie. I don't need to play all. But my sister Destiny Ethical, Daddy Freeze never talk bad about you. Me, that is why I paste some right when I see about Destiny Ethical writing or interview like one channel, like in one channel when they say that for interview her, she says she na veggie according to the right, you know. Then Daddy Freeze invites people to come her program to deliberate, to drop your own opinion. There is this guy who really talk about Destiny Ethical. You can see the video up here or up here. If YouTube allow me to put on for end of my stream, I will put on. I'll see the video pop up. Then this guy, he really lavish Destiny Ethical. A lot of people criticize what that guy do, but Daddy Freeze never talk bad about Destiny Ethical. I was shocked alive when I see Destiny Ethical, they blast Daddy Freeze. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Though I see on my live stream now, people will clan, they will talk their own opinion. I know the person, I know the inside that person mind. And everybody that adult, you free to talk your own opinion. Daddy Freeze just open a platform. Then people come in and deliberate their opinion. You're not supposed to insult Daddy Freeze because me, I watched that video. You're supposed to watch that video before you react. When somebody talk about any big celebrity or big YouTuber, before you go roast that person, try and watch that video because people will give you different version. Maybe you never play that video just because of the comment, the message or the call when you they receive. Daddy Freeze they shared you. Daddy Freeze never insult you. Daddy Freeze even break am down to say when he they work for radio when they work for radio say they pay him 300,000. But when crisis hits, they start to they pay him 250,000 euro and 250,000 naira. But that time in the right big car when pass him salary. Why? That they see a lot of things when they help people do advertise or people do a lot of things. He even measure one person, say this guy, that they work together. Say if this guy come here, now no agree it together. He said this guy make whether than $7,000, be $17,000 in 1 month. That man defends you. What they call her, my sister Destiny Ethical. That man defends you to say it doesn't mean say you be Nollywood actress. Say you know they get endorsement. You know they do say even talk so they talk waist trainer. How you take the advertise waist trainer? You not read that this free is not read what this your insult or this your talk. You for no shade that the phrase at all. For me, it was no because this man defends you even using her own experience. How he take the work and how he take the live his life when he like to live. That the phrase never shade you, that the phrase never talk bad about you. Let's listen to that the phrase own parts of it.
First things first, I saw the insulting post that Destiny Ethical put up. And I'm not going to join issues with her. I'm just going to explain for her understanding and for the understanding of the general public what being a celebrity entails. Destiny is somebody who's an actress and she's a strong actress in the East, and I believe someday she's going to start coming into Lagos and probably into a global audience. You must have a proper PR because you cannot tell the media what to talk about when you feed the media. There was no debunk from your camp. There was an interview, an alleged interview on some major blogs that you allegedly granted. All you needed to do was come out and say, that was not me. Before I went live, I had a discussion with Uche Lendu. I reached out to Uche. I said, Uche, I want to discuss this topic because on my live, we talk about trending issues, whether they involve the government or they involve celebrities or they involve media personalities or whatever have you. What pained me the most was I actually defended this girl because, in my humble opinion, virginity is still something of value. So if a young lady who's an actress who has a following comes out and says she is a virgin, I think that is something the young ladies out there should emulate, especially when she is beautiful and she has a huge fan base. I did not know that virgin. Now, don't turn insults. How have we descended into this quagmire that someone saying they're a virgin now is like you are insulting them? Okay, she never granted the interview, but she never debunked not granting the interview. And what we discussed was the virginity part. And I don't think virginity should be rubbished. I think it's something of value, in my humble opinion. And when she said she was a virgin, as per the interview granted, I was like, that's her truth. I'm in no position to judge her. If that's what she truly said, then that's her truth. And I believe her. So in no way did I insult her. In no way did I diminish her brand. In no way did I say what was not already out there that she did not debunk. And we had a live that we usually have. Now, let me warn you. She said, Diane, we sit down here and discuss. Do you know the kind of people that sit down here? Do you know how much people pay to be on my live? Are you aware of the caliber of people? I'm talking about real estate moguls. I'm talking about businessmen. I'm talking about doctors. I'm talking about lawyers. Did we not have a doctor the other day? We have nurses regularly, lawyers. We have people from all walks of life. The guy that was talking that day, what's his name? John. John is an engineer in Dubai. You can't say we just gather like we don't have work. Let me tell you, I quit the radio to do this. Because not only is it 100 times better paying than the radio, it's more fulfilling and I have a bigger global audience. So, I'm not going to insult her or say anything, but and guess what? I spoke to her today on the phone with Soso Soberekon. Soso Bereko called me and put a call through to her and she apologized. But why would you, oh yes, Destiny apologized today. Why would you apologize privately after calling me out publicly and then it's trending on Facebook for what I did not? Ada was there that day and I'm going to bring Ada here for 5 minutes. The video is on my Instagram, is on my YouTube, is on my TikTok. Did I at any point say that Destiny, did I say anything bad about her? You cannot tell us not to talk about your matter that is in it. Do you know what being a celebrity means? Listen, my advice is if you don't want them to talk about you, get a bank job. Go to a hospital and get a job as a nurse. Work in the welfare section of a children's school.
My people, my correct people, may I not finish that part. I think I hear that the phrase. If you know what made they talk about you, pack your kaya and vanish on social media platform. The reason why I picked that part is sweet to me well. Now, those some of our big YouTubers, when you will see the money they talk about, they will see the do nose for you. You over call the live stream, give me shout out, talk about me. Tell them say I'm here. Me that is giving you free adverts. No, those people you never. They will say no. You they eat from me. I they eat from you. Your mouth I think they talk so. Now your shirt I put for me. Now you buy this shirt for me. And they ask you if you don't want anybody to talk about you, pack your belong. Kaya from social media. Nobody will talk about you. That is true. You are celebrating. If somebody talk about you and that news now fake, go your Twitter or your Instagram. If you be YouTuber, big YouTuber, when we they react to, or go your community tab or go your YouTube, do a video. That is lying. Why you not fit do one? Why? You are celebrating. People see you as a to become a people don't even know whether Nigeria Daughter is existing. Let me blow today. Let God hear this my channel. Nigeria Daughter, I got 1 million plus. Hey, they see my picture for thumbnail. Don't want to do like this. You will see for thumbnail. Don't want to do. You will see for thumbnail. You will see for thumbnail. Oh, my picture. You will see about now. Now who know me? Oh my God, know me. All of my family know me. Who know me? Who is react about me? Let me blow tomorrow. Whether you when they look me for here, whether you know react about me. When you see some people react about you, know you are success. No say, in fact, God's hand is upon your success. Because people see you as a big fish. People see you, I don't know how we put it. Not because people hate you. They don't hate you. They talk about you. And because they know say, where you for make fault. Once they bring and come their channel, they debate on it. Some of your followers, some of people, when they don't send you, they will come and watch. Then when you do good things, They go pick her and rush carry her come their channel. Once they paste her, then you know say some of your love, some of people wey don't love you, they go come and watch. That is the reason why. Imagine I talk about this your destiny now. I not put the picture. Who knows say na she I talk about? People they talk about and not me say they hate now. According to Daddy Free Destiny Ethical, my message go for you. Please, not be private you for insult Daddy Freeze. Daddy Freeze never talk bad about you. Daddy Freeze talk good about you. What you go do when you go sweet Daddy Freeze, when you go sweet some people, come outside as you take insult our public. Still come outside and apologize public. Say you make a mistake. Yes, you make big mistake because that man was there defending you back and front and left and right. Okay? Do well to come outside, apologize, make a peace, not hate. You are a big fish, you'll be celebrated, you'll be Nigeria stars, Nollywood for that. People will talk about us. I'm here now. If you are nobody, I go know you. A lot of people know they is when I don't even know whether they, they day. My own state itself, I do. A lot of people they the one I don't even know. Just because you show yourself on social media, you can't be, you'll be Nigeria's celebrity, that is star. Then people talk about you. People use your picture to talk about you. Anything when you drop, people talk. You're not supposed to insult that man because that man, he talk good way about you. He defends you. He used himself to defend you. I was shutterlized when I say. And secondly, if you be real veggie or you not be veggie, you will come outside. For me, oh, hey, my people, hey, veggie. And I will go dash no give banana. Ooh. No, we are veggie there. With love, with people still carry and still react about it. So be a veggie. To say na moi. I remember when I be veg that time, I made shakara. Some of my village people, they go know if they come across this my video. And they boss. I say who did there? Who don't test her? If you say don't test her, come outside, knock your chest. But now, no veggie no girl. I'm a mommy of two. Veggie sweet, so veggie sweet. Hey, veggie sweet, huh? Must say you can't be veg, you can't know something, you can't know say veggie now respect. They shake your chest. They say I am a veggie. I beg my people. Do well to join this beautiful family. If you never subscribe, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this YouTube channel. See, I meet you in my next video. Drop your own opinion. What did Destiny Ethical do? It good as you come out to insult Daddy Free. Daddy Free is not talk bad about her. Daddy Free talk good about her. But we was shortalized when we say she give them back to Daddy Freeze. My people, now this one got to talk. Now who did it? Now who did Zuzu? See, I see you in my next video. Do well to join this beautiful family. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you never subscribe. For this my channel, I talk about big YouTuber, celebrity, things that happen in the world. I dey bring am. Do one with my hand grab. I'll grab am. Run. Do one like this. Carry am come my channel. Come deliberate on am. Now so Naija daughter deal. I don't get it. If you dey just they do it. Because I talk about your big celebrity or talk about your big YouTuber. You say this girl, you hate her. Now lie, not hate anybody. I'm just doing my thing. I'm doing my job. I'm doing my work. I'm doing what I love. If you love and still go your channel, go they give me back. Okay? I'll go happy. I will like them if they give me. But I don't insult anybody. If you insult me, you insult yourself. As far I'm not insulting anybody in my channel, then carry me go your channel. Go they insult me. And you anything insult me. My people, my correct people, my suburb people, my woto people, my woto. Now who they? Mommy, happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go